This is Sampford Courtenay Station on the line from Exeter via Crediton to Okehampton. The line closed in 1972 but remained open for freight. It was reopened in 1997 with the help of Devon County Council, who sponsor Sunday services from May to September. Around about 4 trains a day back and forth. The Dartmoor Railway also runs services here occasionally from Okehampton itself. Their line runs normally from Okehampton to Meldon Quarry. The remains of the second platform hidden beneath the vegetation. Surprisingly, there's still a line speed of about 55 miles an hour here. Meldon Quarry, the freight line, was kept open for that, is at the moment in mothballs, so to speak. It was a granite quarry providing granite for the ballast. Anything up to 5 trains a day used to carry ballast from the Meldon Quarry along this route. There's been a lot of talk of reopening this line after the problems at Dawlish with the seawall being washed away. That would require the renovation of Meldon Viaduct, and also the line being replaced between there and, well, Tavistock, or certainly down as far as Belstone. There's a proposal to reopen the line from Belstone to Tavistock, which would shorten the gap.